Don't damage the aging wiring harness on your engine during normal maintenance. Quickly and easily remove the glow plug connectors in your 6-liter Powerstroke with the XDP Glow Plug Harness Tool. The XDP Glow Plug Harness Tool is a must-have in the toolbox of any 6-liter Powerstroke owner. This specially designed tool helps eliminate damaging the fragile wiring of your glow plug connectors. The shape of the glow plug harness tool allows you to grasp the connector and not the wiring. This not only saves you time, it also saves you money from needing to replace components that weren't broken when you started the job. To find out more about the XDP Glow Plug Harness Tool, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.